Mokwaba.
Yeah.
Bibia Boko de.
Bibia Boko senior.
Phylla na menti ase na mbeso di kan chemu ansa kra na ewura nyom to nim.
Yeah, dini e Kwasi Phylla. So Phylla na news.
Okay. News say nyoma ekoso as in news like, can news.
You can't say you can't me ma Phylla no. So and a news see a news story got it.
Yeah.
So my artist like I always come out with new stuff.
Okay.
So me and Phylla
instead
of news.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a Kwasi adebia ansem wo ho.
Yeah, I bring a news.
Uni bibia anso a Kwasi na dey be the current adeni nyina bebro. See as akwa nyom to need the latest songs, the newest bangers no. Kwasi na dey bebro. That's why it's called Kwasi Phylla.
Yeah.
That's nice. What's Phylla saying in case it will be T na say the bear you fan share quick before we move to the conversation.
PHYLLA.
PHYLLA. FILA.
No.
Okay. Kwasi Phylla and Martin, can anybody come more about his music career and when he started? Kwasi, we know by now say how long have you been a musician?
Professionally, like 2018.
2018, I should say professionally. Before then, now because now we're doing. What was Kwasi Phylla doing before then? Okay. Musically, what were you doing before then?
Before they don't say music. Before say we fan or say. Who say, yeah, I'm going all out for this particular thing. No? Now I'll be the kind to be so near your street battles and things. Before me decided say, okay, I want to do this thing full time.
Okay.
Yeah, so
then what was the motivation to your person hear music full time? Because music can only as he said full time, meaning there will be no be jana the nyum to nechi. Then he share and say, Jaido ye be an a fan who share nyum to fully.
Okay, may try whole lot of things like growing up. Me realize say music is the only thing I made to make say minim ye pa. So and any idea me feel say me stress it doing this. It was okay. And this is a career too. So why don't you go all out for it?
Okay.
Because I don't stress doing it and I feel like and only idea me nim ye pa.
Okay. I know be say or she be say ashase no quite difficult because say be terrain and I say baby I won't call hoda tia fe na wurem. 2018 being the year of fanyum tour professionally no. Obeka say how was it like? Uremu no, o bemu no, o taking your money tour seriously. Na it saying na ending. And I said when they be aboafo binti na it was smooth to now.
Okay, I had some people. Mishia 2017 no na me wo Kumasi. Okay. So I moved from Kumasi to Accra 2017 to base there. So Miko share nipa kakra na me no almost so the same goal. So we push the same thing. So we had this thing say be build it Yankasa empire and yet me about together. So those years I was just indoors writing, recording, trying to polish myself before I start dropping songs. So that is how it has been. We had team, but I said 2018 and I may dropping.
Okay.
I was just trying to polish myself, write stuff, how to understand the show business and everything indoors before. So buy him now quite say hang and shed and the same. So
okay.
Also be a hairstyle be and send me kind. This is my only thing. We penny idea me.
Okay.
And if you say you have the same passion, but hang and I chase the same passion in your same. Now I say me moving on. And my team. So last year me drop one single the whole year. And this year, I decided I'll be dropping songs. So last month I dropped one.
You better on the number of songs you have out there and when I will release your more. But Semitiwasia, or started in 2018, no, it wasn't just Kwasi Phylla doing his own thing.
Yeah.
You know, it was more of like a group.
Yeah, it was more of like a team.
Okay, a team na more yeah. And what was saying, was it that good? And I said, because say, my own environment now, what no. You didn't say it was that bad, and was it that bad?
It wasn't bad.
Okay.
Many complaints say, yeah, I more regret being doing that because those times, no boy, mommy to me developing me who
okay.
So I take the positives now. I walk me or that side no. Sometimes to be feel so all these years like I'll push and I'll be to me at baby I would do no. So I thought that as a unya some way be but me fun say a regret. I just take it like time need all the time.
Okay.
Utu arena and call baby yeah. So
any have perform here. Ebi kura all time be do kana ye otre. Na say BM kesi a chain o2.
So yeah, me said and hold the grudges me. Nti make say it was good.
Okay.
Go omo boa me.
Okay.
Omo boa me. Obe critics no be ba. Obetimi aya de any Charlie. Ye nim de obetimi ba this is not you.
Okay.
So eno nyina boa me ma metimi improve.
Okay. Fast forward, you moving on to you coming out as a solo artist. A while person we are there with baby Krubia Benya Helbia. I wanted to do your thing. The music is a diverse. It's a music you won't be genres be within the genres, not genres sashim.
Yeah.
What type of genre of music and would decide say oh yeah and I don't know say if oh that's so yeah no and I say so what's the sound important amount of sound? What type of genre na Osha say with when you became solo?
Yeah, hardcore rapping. Like rapper.
Okay.
I was doing hip hop, hardcore, the street one, that old type song.
Kumasi ni abranti
yeah, battles, yeah.
Ni Canada twice ni
that vibe song. So later I make I say me take it time to understand the show business and see how things move in the game. So me yeah hip hop no, but even I would say my type of hip hop no crana me based on numerous all the time.
Yeah.
So my head to say anyhow be ABC Akobiano. We enter, we join them, but rapper.
Rap now, yeah.
Rap na me ankasa me strength like me genre me I just rap, I do hip hop.
Okay.
But I write songs and everything.
Okay. So as I say Kwasi Phylla te ha yedi nkomo nyina no. If you really want to know the type of music Kwasi does, you are affiliated to fully 100% to rap music.
Yes.
That is what you do.
Yeah.
But then you're artists, so there are other skills and there are other styles. First. That is it. Okay. So since then, how many songs were you about Bunting?
Okay, I would say 4. Yeah,
4 songs.
Yeah,
4 songs. Duration about 2018. Now we a group. What time Honda Bang and when did you start doing your music? How the 4 songs about so far?
Okay, 2018 now to 2020 I'm a drop it after from 2018 it was 2020 I'm a drop it one song.
Okay.
It's a drill on the entire system and I'm so okay I buy a dim so I may drop it one drill song and me stay back a honum na minya we are starting as hunger issues because not that time Jenna Naba and my yes track so I was expecting the same energy. I didn't complain. So 2021, and I'm a drop another drill song, PA. So me drop a PA, and I'm a drop a Venom freestyle. Me drop it free. I know so soon a couple of reactions to it. So 2023, and I decided say right now I want to do this thing myself because sending me expect to send him a corner and Kosa, and I don't want to blame anybody on me failure or success. I don't want to blame anybody, so I just want to try doing it myself. If you guys moving at the same hunger anibia, you come along or me movie. If anybody gets the same hunger to move along with me, then we go.
Just when Boame 2020, na COVID era was still there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, into there's a COVID come maybe come and
made the nyom babontin.
COVID there's the music in people by power because most artists are COVID year and they say will be fan na more she feed the year. Okay. So the track you brought out was then
that one was Time Up.
Time Up.
Yeah.
Now you're peeing about time, babe.
You're peeing about 2022. Yeah, 2022.
It's what PF free COVID name. In the Time Up, no, I don't know COVID year, no 2020. No. How what did it do? For it ultimately since it was COVID era, no, in the restrictions here in the country and everywhere. But then, how well were you able to push it?
I won't say it was bad because now my first track I'm dropping since 2018. Me started me recording.
Okay.
Then the first song I'm recording. So reactions in this amount for taking at that time. And at that time, now to me, each other 19 could be a giddy. So stream is not a amount for response to it. And I was okay. You are on the right track, so we can be doing better.
Okay.
So not any bad. I won't say it was bad.
Okay. Afterwards, now working after receiving all the applause and all the fans who say at least people keep listening to your music, and now they be drop your P. Your P. What was the inspiration behind your P? Didn't know about the your P nearby.
Yeah, the your P was like, it's a street, you know, your P kwako piska. So you see a bunch like Uber fees or better in so now I said the hustle, the daily grinding on this side, no, and I just made timid cabo me say okay, yeah, fine you so when we are on the streets, we know say at least we recognize what we are doing there.
Okay. Till for yinti your piano camera. Kwasi Phylla is seated here. Yinti your piano. Will be on this particular song.
It was a solo project.
Okay, now when you produce here.
Vim Beats.
Honestly, yeah, I will come and say and answer.
Vim Beats or Boas, but team na American at that time, no, so kind of so.
Okay.
Now it's your producers, videographers, photographers, and stuff. It's not a producer at that time, and another producer switch.
Okay. So it was this same track now you felt say the energy you put on and everything, or you needed people to push you, but then. Now as I'm on phone, take the flow and everything.
Like you say, you decide to say yeah, and what you okay? They all day board ni, they made day board ni. So time up, no, release time up, no. Correct say, me act maturely that time because now team ni na ante mase. And I must make sure say send me person me dey adene out na mo commission. So I released the song myself. Okay. So later no, e say. Okay, even though so my team, so I'm for my dream by I want to release it so I had to apologize to them and say A, B, and CB. I'm also promising me say next time we will give you the same energy. So I dropped this EP. We all decided to drop the EP. They drop EP, you know, the same things like most time energy in mommy.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, fine. Me release BO behind you guys. They will be like, why you? So this time around,
No, be on separate ways.
So.
At least it was matured enough, say, at a point in time up no release and you realize, say, in as much as you team name out that vibe to push your song, but it wasn't also appropriate. Say, wow, out of
myself,
release it. At least a matured step in your music career, I think, say, it would help. To release your P, also say that time team no
you shot the video for this particular song.
And I come able to say, were you able to shoot the video for it?
Shooting video. We were supposed to release the song and the video at the same time. Video then that's all. You release it.
But since there's a separation in here, but then before separating, what you mean more times be about how to keep your movie or your music going, even though maybe there is a break in the team. No.
Yeah, we had a plan to build a team together. So even time I started, it wasn't like say even though some artists on the label, I wanted to be partner as well.
Okay. So
it would be like partnership. Me with this percentage in it. And me wo enyum no yes enyum ne menu.
Okay.
But I mean to keep beer out of most me team no so nsem because munyi na na aka boma
mo de
dey adwuma no. Edi say e bia me release track no, me release video no. Because of sending separate we still have this vibe. Say it's me kasa, bro. I want to release this one. Not yet. Okay, fuck up. Yeah, Sabina. It's like we have this brotherly vibe. Just an American passion over. But hang on, I did chasing in the
then if says our vibe or why then I still now mind to me and push Yama when release the video. No, as a time no can say video is still like them.
Yeah, the video is still there.
Still embargo. So the problem ankasa ye dey independent no more release the video no.
Make I say problem ni say na me di me lane. Me di me lane we say me person me ye bibia be say o chere the obinye. So I expect you say my twa video no. Wo hia me was seeing my ba ye twa videographer no so why na adwuma wie ye de aba. Mo adne ye team ye ti mo so was mo hwe na ye they are the call if we take it to TV and everything. I'm also money my family. Nina so involve risk.
Yeah.
So you guys should hold that side because none of us some of the Bama team meeting.
Back and forth. Nina now because Phylla is out there doing his own thing. plans in shooting video way differently and answer for a biwo and this particular project based on team in you feel say if say also forward as an or form as a solo artist to do anything, especially on this same project, it be an resulting in something, law, and I say, can you still do that? Plans be or would be here, a new video for this particular track.
Not this particular track,
okay,
but the Gold, the recent one I'm releasing, and I may shoot a video for it.
Meaning said the peony the untiming touch it till whatever it is between on Crawford and Metimas of amicably.
Me said the video is there already, so it's just I've said I make decide to release a video because
who is in another way?
That was last year.
And you did the same video you shot last year, but this year, don't you think it will kill the vibe? Unjin is doing a new one will rather fit the new terrain, the music video.
Yes, and Tina, I'ma take it things cool, like because Nina Kasa and all corner you meet people, they will advise you on things. Be honest, said so me was okay. Me, I'm not in a haste to do anything. I just want to take things cool. Yes, na twem ne de twem dada. Me fan number.
Yeah.
So the woman I make sure say I'm making the right moves because me blame you be say wa anyam ne me ya mama. Then I'll end up doing the same things and me man feel okay with to myself.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think say I listen more.
Okay.
Yeah.
The other one him no hear more. So after your PA say there say do say na about when him after your PA.
Yeah, me release Venom. That it was a freestyle. And my drop Mamacita last month.
Mamacita there then Venom they say nya the power.
Venom was like we were spitting bars, like spitting fire.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was
Tinyom to na mu Venom now spitting. You mean to be and you mean to former team members and I say
no, it was just the rappers doing what rappers do.
Okay. And if you're on Mamacita and so by.
Yeah, Mamacita. So Mamacita was released last month and this month.
Let's talk about Mamacita. So
yeah, Mamacita, I did it with Kofi Kels, another rising
upcoming artist. Yeah.
He's very, very good. Kofi Kels on Wakaswa. It's me not on the record Mamacita.
About then what's the inspiration?
It's a love song, like appreciating ladies, like women in particular.
Okay.
So appreciating someone you are in a relationship with for everybody.
Okay. Pasa ina chwa konya ndiko echi kakra na menya de oy. Ha chukwa echi se o blocky view bi. But Mamacita a freestyle mama. Hwe Josephine na freestyle mama. Mamacita ni freestyle kakra mama.
Okay, intimate take you rap verse.
You be in the song about Mamacita. I just want to hear about it here.
I say, yeah baby. Be shajo adami muse convoy bi. Fanboy le J zombie and I'm a fan come advice man in whichever way you deserve the best shine. Molani at my levels I should get a first class corporate baby with a street swag and a Queen's pride. Forget everybody what done your bell bear nine. Hey, I'm in the mood then I'm Matulumba cassette. Maybe you want to mass your cassette.
Nice Mamacita, yeah baby. Ya di kana me okay. It's a nice track. Who releasing that bay?
We're releasing I think 20th of April.
What's my shooting video for it?
Minyan shooting Mamacita.
20th of April. But say Omimo. It's April last year. And as now okay, we be release back also this month.
Yeah, this month.
I think I release these songs almost every month. I'm just asking. A be an hour purpose be and I say I didn't release songs every month.
Yeah, may I say said an American all these years before deciding to polish myself, I was doing well on the streets.
Okay.
So me stay back now. And me quite kakra.
Yeah, fans in tongue can to also pay artists for like passing him no mutiti passing him aqua.
So I was
very,
like,
very out here no mutini sir.
I was like, made me drop here. Then we were ho. I won't let it die off. Then I drop another one. Try to bite into this year P was Afro. This Gold is a drill song, another hip hop song. So Nimi ho. So I push the audio, then I decide to like the videos, met mama intervals about videos and we shoot this one first. So I say, yeah, con. And I was my solo. Me kwana me BBA enti. Minya platform ne se me de kasa about this one. then I use the same platform to talk about this one too.
I get the whole scenario and I'm a who the whole part change now, but yes, and I'm not doing same coin. But I want say the broson so yeah. Don't you think say oh feed your fans need too much in a little space though? As a woman of fans in your be small space more than maybe a woman more back. No, I'm making sure say or my dear digest before you giving. Don't you think you are giving them too much within a little space?
Yeah, me kind of say, but a biana make say it bounced back to the time. Now, me person me catch up. So I just want to be heard that badly. So if I drop this Mamacita, na se bia DJ mix ebo nyum cc na se otimi edeme Mamacita ni shima. In case another DJ come around 8 o'clock, no so be board drill hip hop, my track will be there. Yeah. So I person making sure say I'm here in this period. So by the time I be a meeting, I calm it down to do my stuff and nice meeting audience and attention. Well,
it's good you are doing it based on Adibia what they are two and so. Yes, we jegum rather at least one reason or two until or releasing or concurrently we and at least it helps. DJ Simple wate into a team Mamacita or TAP into I think so no where to put all these stuff out. The latest one I released here then
Gold
news about them.
Yeah, good news about the journey like baby I started free. You movie or honoma even ye crampona na kakra wo fie na woman ye wo ye no so so everybody get their own story or bet me aka. So in the mix of all those hardship we came out clean. You're turning like instead of stones you're turning gold.
Okay, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Instead of stones what turning gold. So you keep on pushing till you turn gold. Okay, so next right now, like I said, out on the streaming platforms here, two solid track of yours are air banging.
Yeah, okay. Like Mamacita and Mamacita is doing well.
Okay,
because it's still fresh. It's doing very well.
Okay, and what to me accompany them with videos on as and also in the pipeline.
Yeah, the videos are in the pipeline.
Let's talk. Now is out there. Mamacita is out there. Gold is out there. What's the next plan? Kwasi Phylla from Ocamp. What should we be expecting within the next few months? I'll be right into the next year. We are into the month of June. What should we be expecting?
Yeah, right now, like I said, the people should expect. Say, you be pushing these songs very well. Best way be a bit to me, you be pushing this particular song and yes said now can yes be a drop songs because my recording you may be good until I may drop sir. But this one's now they are banner. You be pushy way and any shows near the bit me this our tracks we na fasten you be basso until they should expect us on every platform. Be our more expected more favorite artists.
Okay. So now Kwasi Phylla is out there doing stuff and everything. But you said you are free solo out of a group, no? Yeah. But a bit more home so more and I say as you are doing music solo, your production and everything is also solo based on wow efforts and everything.
Yeah, I would say make I say I'm this type may make I say loyalty idea be me fan diagro. So no matter the people I'm working with, maybe I can say I try as much as possible to work with people I don't want to eat with.
Okay.
So and for honest any panity any ego tier, I try to build good relationship with you. And see, guys no more team no so no. And yes, I mean I was the last person to move out.
Okay.
Obi aja hokoi. Ebeka mene de nipa na mene start yen.
Yeah.
And I miss me decide is ameko. So these people omo call be also we call back to the studio, we call any video shooting near there. But because of sending na mene omo tie no. They be like, Phylla track we me say mix yo. We tracks we mix him out. We so Fred that ben yen twa we video. So I say omo nyina gu so boa.
Yeah.
In a way. But and yes say boa this time around as a team. They just believe in
the whole year, no.
You are going to be great. Maybe a team no near intimate movie, but we will support you in any way I see it to me. So I'm trying kakra to help me along.
Okay. Kwasi Phylla, obi pe wonyom net streaming platforms and him fani be home.
Yeah, or Apple Music, Spotify, Audiomack, like all the streaming platforms.
Dean Ben, you ever watch how I did be home.
Kwasi Phylla. Kwasi ne KWASI.
KWASI. And I feel like
PHY double LA.
Social media handles and so I probably my contact.
Yeah, Kwasi Phylla on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Yeah, Phylla the Rap Addict.
Phylla the Rap Addict. At least the other social media handles will be visited. You'll be links that will send you to. Yeah, sorry. So any last words you would want to say? Asimbiana will be a episode catcher listeners and they will see for you.
Yeah, meda for nase. Na mada also was for this platform. Na makase enema be ho ai bitimi aye. Industry need the ego so and we can still do better. So omo mboae na yentimi enye adwuma no because senior ye nwom ne ba ye ankasa yesi so mu fa enye sa na ma nya abotre asua a steady Nigeria for the market no enye sa na tie
okay
omo so omo de nim pa and to the extent say omo de nim ba be number 1 kurampo ye streaming platforms
yeah
e wo hanom say and we be like
top 10 Ghana music on Apple Music na Nigeria for that first Ghana music no
at that first and we can pay e be ka say oh omo do so chen omo population I say hi ya ifie ha ne ye wo nti so omo do so chen ne enko top omo ho no ma at least nka ye fie de
o see top ya
e wo see top wa ha no nti no I think say omo boy ni ntimi nye the right songs a omo pay omo man who the kind of songs are almost so pay they shouldn't expect as omo force my nye some particular songs bia later omo abese jai ho no makwa akotie other countries ne de na amaye ya bedi akiri ti so omo ni ho aye ni ho ena se tiri nka so enkire say abontin so fo anya
embefa
to omo boy
okay because you feel like that say some opa can a big question but was way here to hosa na uko almost say mpe as a before mpe bookmark and kind as a phone on say ade mpe ba ko ye reviews so I said there mpe kura say meti obi nyom na me man review and am a movie na review section no made sure because you feel like say osremo muti ne nyom a review section in here no money who know what he did that was not good what you expect from him na ultimately for the next big project because I feel like that's a so buy his song is out on all the streaming platforms Mama Sita Gold the PA everywhere because I feel like KWASIPHYLLA on all streaming platforms social media handles and so or checking why but yeah that's a so buy because I feel like